All right, welcome to part 11 of the $50,000 for 50,000 subscribers on our YouTube. We are absolutely killing it, I'll be honest with you. But we want to continue forward with the momentum of winning. Please like, subscribe, oh my gosh, subscribe, share, comment. You want to see us play something specifically, comment that as well. But we are going to do Lightning 10-year storm right here. Probably $50 bets, maybe 25, just play around with it, see what happens, and go from there. So without further ado, let's do the damn thing. All right, here we go. We're gonna go 50 lines, $51, and go from there. This is my first time playing this game, so I really don't know what I'm looking for here. So let's just see how it goes. I'm sure I'm looking for 3 of these guys.
6 of the little black holes.
Oh yeah, we need 3 more, 6 of those. And I assume that little guy that I pointed to, this guy looks like he's wild. We got a $1,000 mini, $5,000 minor, $40,000 jackpot major would be good, and a $1 million grand.
Great.
Which would be, y'all see a lot more YouTube if I hit the $1 million grand. 6 of those, 3 of these guys is what I'm thinking. I think I actually want to do 25 lines. Let's do some $25, kind of see how we're, oh, one more.
There you go. That was the right.
All right, guys, first time playing this game. Lightning 10-year storm, $25 bet. Let's see what happens. Get a bonus and a bonus. Oh, one more. Uh-oh, nothing's lining up. One more. There it is. Re-trigger, 4 re-trigger. All right. Oh no.
No.
They all look the same to me here, so it's kind of hard to tell. Well, that was kind of a bust.
That was very fun.
Shot. Man, I expected so much more out of that. We're gonna make a change there. Sando bonus. Oh, I didn't mean to say Sando bonus again. Vegas Matt antics, I'm gonna have a hard time not. I don't do it intentionally.
Oh.
Oh, one more. All right, when you get a bonus here, come on with it. Oh, come on, this will be a good one. One more. Oh, we got it. $50 bet. All right, after that, I need to remember to say to go to the YouTube for the full session. So I'm gonna knock that out first. $50 bet, free spins. Let's see what happens. Bonus and a bonus. Uh-oh. There we go. Good re-trigger. $750 for that re-trigger. Do it again. Oh, another one. Too big. Let's make this a big one.
8 and 12.
We need some money to come with those, though. Oh, whoops.
No.
I didn't mean to fast spin that. Bonus and a bonus. $11.88.
Not
That's
bad.
all right.
Take it.
We'll take it. Ammo. Man, I really thought that one would have been big. Hopefully it's just priming up for the big one. Everything looks so similar, it's hard for me to tell what's different. Except for them balls. I can tell them balls are different. Let's get this balls bonus. 4 more. That's decent. $100. All right, come on, one more. $60, that's a winner. Come on, get some more with that guy. Four more. I hope that guy isn't over there taking all the good bonuses out of my machine with $5 bets. 3 more. Four more. Oh, come on. What's that? 2 more.
For you.
I don't know what our floor wants to be on this one. I feel like there's a good bonus in it. Go a $13,000 floor if we don't have anything by then. Move on to the next machine. No point in feeding it if it isn't going to feed me back. I'm not a huge fan of how they didn't change the look of each one. I mean, why everything looks the same to me on this one for some reason. I'd like to get that balls bonus. Two more. 4 more. Needed 3 more friends with that one. Oh, that would have been a good one. Four more. Come on, balls bonus. Everybody likes a good balls bonus. Wish they'd turn that music down a little bit in here. Lord have mercy, that music is cranking. Two more. Come on. Four more. Four more.
Jackpot's getting paid over here. Dragon Link.
Yeah, 3,300.
Don't mind, I can't see the other guy here.
That's one I did good on this morning. There we go. All right, guys, $50 bonus, balls bonus on Lightning 10-year link, or 10-year storm, excuse me. Go to our YouTube to see the full session. There we go. Triple minor would be crazy. Excuse me. Any word would be nice. Any word would be helpful. Might as well fill it in now. All right. Did we get it? Got a feeling we don't, but let's see. A negative Nancy right there. It'd be wild if it did. That's all right. Got some money here. $1,300. We'll take it. Do a few backup spins and then do what I always do and adjust up a little bit. We'll go to 15,000 on our 50s. One more. Oh. One more. All right. Let's make an adjustment here. Let's go $5. Oh, somebody left a big winner on this. What's 25 $5? They didn't even do their backup spins. One more. Four more. We're gonna go to 12,000 on these. Free. Or one more for that guy. Three more. Two more. Four more. Two more would not have done me any good there. Four more. You dog. A little bit of a line pay there. Black guy. Maybe we'll go to 10,000. We'll see what happens. Five more with that guy. Yeah, we'll go with 10,000 and see what happens. Three more. $125 spins to get your heart beating. Black guy. One more. mama was paying attention, she'd be whooping my butt right now. Come on. I got it. Flag. That helps the cause a little bit. Three more. Three more. I don't know what our floor is, babe, but we're going to explore it a little bit. One more flag guy. Flag guy. Come on, two more. We're going $5,000 floor, and then we're stopping. Or we'll drop our bet back down a little bit. We took a shot. Well, that was a rough ride. I may have just made this a losing session no matter what at that point. We'd have to do something crazy now. We're gonna go to 2,500 and then book the loss if that's what we got to do. But maybe we don't have to. Two more. Four more. Flag guy. No, I think we started at 19,000 over here. Yeah, we're taking a whack on this, but we took a shot. We took a shot. All right, we'll try your method. $1.25 or 50? Oh, if you'd have got a bonus. I can already hear it in your head what you were saying.
I told you so.
You got to take a shot every now and then. Man, it has been a quiet machine, though. Really? 5? At this point, we got to hit a couple of minors, a triple minor to break even. It can be done, though. Look at all them valuable player points, though, we're getting.
Thank goodness for those.
Flag guy. I should have been more specific. 2 flag guys. 3 flag guys. They're just not listening. There we go, double mini. A pretty big skull. All right, guys, we're down like 15,000. We took a shot at $125 spends. Didn't work out. $50 bonus, got a double mini, so that's 2,000. So big school, you know, big schools, big balls follow big schools. Go to the YouTube channel to see the full session. Here we go. A major would be a lifesaver at this point. Don't peter out on me. 250, we'll take that. Drop a couple more minis in there. Drop that major. Make the clank. Or minor. Or grand.
Okay, at this point, we'll take a minor.
All right. I think that's pretty much it right there. They say they can't come back. I have never seen it come back. But decent bonus. Hold on, I can fast it up. All right. $37.50. That's we were down 15. Can they see that? All right, we're gonna do some backup spins. Maybe go to 7,000 and we'll call it. Babe. Her legs are shot. I said your legs are shot. All right, last spin. There we go. Down 12,000. You ready, babe? Shoot this outro. All right, guys. Down 12,000 this session. Not our best, but we always got next session to come back. So remember, scared money don't make money.